Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes.
Phonics song A to I.
Kids, let's have fun in Phonics world.
Kids, let's go and meet the alphabets. Hooray! Here is the alphabet. A. I am A, the alphabet A. I make a sound. Let's sing few words beginning with me. Alligator,
Alligator.
ant,
Ant.
artist,
Artist.
apple,
Apple.
aeroplane,
Aeroplane.
acrobat,
Acrobat.
alphabet. A is for artist, paints so beautifully. A is for apple, tastes so good in my belly. A is amazing, the first letter we learn. A is for acrobat, doing flips and turns. A to C. What's the next letter? You can sing with me.
Hi, letter B.
Hi, kids.
B, can you please give me your introduction to my friends?
Sure. I am B, the alphabet B. I make a sound. Ba, 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 ba. I have so many words beginning with me. Banana,
Banana.
beans,
Beans.
bread,
Bread.
ball,
Ball.
balloons,
Balloons.
ballerina.
Ballerina.
Kids, so many animal and bird names beginning with letter B. Butterfly,
Butterfly.
bear,
Bear.
buffalo,
Buffalo.
blue whale,
Blue whale.
bluebird,
Bluebird.
bat.
Bat.
Let us sing a song. B is for bananas hanging in the tree. B is for ballerina, it's fun to dance with me. B is for baker, baking fresh bread. B is for butterfly landing on my head. Ba ba ba, B to Z. What's the next letter? You can sing with me.
C. Hi there. Do you know where is the letter C?
No, he is not around. Letter C, where are you? Letter C, how do you do? Letter C, what makes you make? Letter C, how do you trace? Hi kids, I am here.
Welcome, letter C.
I am C, the alphabet C. I make a sound, k. Let's sing a few words beginning with me. Cake,
Cake.
cookies,
Cookies.
car,
Car.
carrot,
Carrot.
computer,
Computer.
coloring,
Coloring.
castle,
Castle.
Christmas.
Christmas.
Letter C also has so many animals and bird names beginning with it. Caterpillar,
Caterpillar.
cat,
Cat.
cow,
Cow.
camel,
Camel.
crow,
Crow.
canary,
Canary.
C is for caterpillar crawling on a branch. C is for cherry cake, my favorite kind of lunch. C is for chili, so hot on my tongue. C is for carrot, so orange and long. C, C to Z. What's the next letter you can sing with me?
Many animals and bird names start with the letter D too. Dog,
Dog,
dolphin,
dolphin,
dinosaur,
dinosaur,
donkey,
donkey,
deer,
deer,
duck.
duck.
D is for dolphin, swimming in the sea. D is for digging in the sand with me. D is for dancing up on a stage. D is for dinosaur in a mad rage. Da da da, D to Z.
What's the next letter you can sing with me? E. Hi, E.
Hi Hazel, want to hear my song?
Yes.
I am E, the alphabet E. I make sound Let's sing a few words beginning with me. Elephant,
Elephant,
eagle,
eagle,
engine,
engine,
egg,
egg,
exercise,
exercise,
eye, ear.
ear.
E is for engines, like on a train. E is for eagles, flying in the rain. E is for elephants with really big feet. E is for eggs, my favorite breakfast treat. E to Z. What's the next letter you can sing with me?
F. Hey there. Can you see the letter F anywhere?
He's here!
Hi, F.
Hi kids, here is my song. I am F, the alphabet F. I make sound F. Let's sing a few words beginning with me. Fox,
Fox,
fish,
fish,
frog,
frog,
flamingo,
flamingo,
fairy,
fairy,
football.
football. Yay!
So many recipe names begin with the letter F. Fries,
Fries,
fruits,
fruits,
falafel,
falafel,
fondue,
fondue,
fruitcake,
fruitcake,
fajita.
fajita.
F is for foxes with red bushy tails. F is for frog hopping slimy trails. F is for fish, yummy for my lunch. there. Can you see the letter G anywhere?
No. Let's call him with a song. Letter G, where are you? Letter G, how do you do? Letter G, what sound you make? Letter G, how do you trace? Letter G, we have found you. Letter G, here you are.
Hi, kids. It was a beautiful song. I am tempted to sing now.
We are eager to hear it, letter G.
I am G, the alphabet G. I make the sound G, 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 G. Many birds and animals' names begin with me. Kids, many animals and birds' names begin with letter G. Goat, giraffe, gorilla, goose, grasshopper, golden Orion.
Let's look for a few more words beginning with G.
Grapes, guitar, girl, giggle,
Green. G is for giggle when I'm having fun. G is for the golden goose, a prize to be won. G is for guitar, for singing a song. G is for gorilla, his arms are so long. G, 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 G to Z. What's the next letter you can sing with me? H. Hi, letter H.
Hi, Hazel.
You are the first letter in my name. Let's sing a song for you. Letter H, how are you? Letter H, how do you do? Letter H, you make the sound H. Letter H, my name starts with H. H, Hazel.
It was a nice song. Thank you. Let me sing my song. I am H, the alphabet H. I make the sound H, 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 H. These are a few words that begin with me. Horse, hippopotamus, hen, helicopter, house, hat, hockey, hopping, Halloween.
H is for helicopter flying overhead. H is for hat in my favorite color red. H is for hockey playing on the pitch. H is for Halloween dressing up like a witch.
Ha, ha, ha. H to Z. What's the next letter you can sing with me?
I. Hooray! The letter I is here with us. Hi, letter I.
Hi, friends. Waiting to hear my song? Here you go. I am I, the third vowel I. I make the sound I, 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 I. Let's sing a few words beginning with me. Iguana,
Iguana.
ice cream,
Ice cream.
insect,
Insect. Igloo.
Igloo.
Indigo.
Indigo.
I is for iguana, sitting on a tree. I is for ice cream, share some with me. I is for icy, in an igloo. I is for indigo, my favorite color too. I to see. What's the next letter you can see?